Today we are going to be talking about a pediatric dentist that I have in South Florida. She is divorced, 2 children, and 2 practices. Her biggest problem when she came to us was she was just so dispersed. She would try to solve this problem and that problem one trick at a time. She had no overall strategy, no overall plan. She didn't know how much she needed to save. She didn't know what she needed to sell her practice for. She just was all over the place. To help her solve her problems, the first thing that we did was wrote a financial plan. And I think the biggest and the most beneficial thing that we instituted for her was helping and showing her how to save right off the top, a full 10% of what her practices were producing. And then over the years, as time went on, we held her accountable to that. We made sure that she did it month after month and year after year. And after 5 years of that, it has turned out to be the single biggest pot of savings that she has. The other biggest thing that we did to help her was we just laid out a debt plan, how to get rid of it. And over the preceding years, she actually paid off all of the debt that she came to us with. She did end up buying another house up in Michigan to be close to her family, but every last dollar of debt that she had when she was a new client has been fully paid. Today, she feels certain. She is focused on her savings more than ever. She's actually at the point where she's looking at selling one of her practices. This will, of course, negate the need to be driving back and forth across South Florida every single week. And just looking at, okay, can I hold on to the other practice and turn it into an income stream for retirement for me and my children? We continue to meet with her nearly monthly through our ongoing advisory program. And at this point, we're actually looking at brokers and looking at buyers for the practice. And we're just going to continue to guide her all the way through her exit.